Hello liebe Leute, welcome to Learn German Studios. Today we're diving into a wonderful German tradition that marks the countdown to Christmas. It is called Advent. We'll explore both the Advent calendar and the Advent wreath, their origins, and what they mean for families in Germany today. So sit back, relax, and let's discover how Germany celebrates the magic of Advent. Advent is the period of 4 weeks before Christmas, beginning on the Sunday closest to November 30th, which is St. Andrew's Day. The word Advent comes from the Latin adventus, meaning arrival. It is a time for preparation, reflection, and anticipation of the birth of Jesus. In Germany, Advent is both a spiritual and cultural celebration, with traditions that bring families together. Many children wait eagerly for December 1st, the day when the Advent countdown begins. One of the most famous Advent traditions in Germany is the Advent wreath, or Adventskranz. It is a circular wreath made of evergreen branches, symbolizing eternal life. On the wreath, there are 4 candles, one for each Sunday of Advent. The first candle symbolizes hope. The second candle symbolizes peace. The third candle symbolizes joy, and it is often pink to stand out. The fourth candle symbolizes love. Families light one candle each Sunday, gradually brightening the wreath as Christmas approaches. This tradition started in the 19th century, particularly in Protestant households, and has since spread across Europe and beyond. Lighting the wreath is not only beautiful, it is also a moment to pause, reflect, and feel the excitement of the season. Another beloved tradition is the Advent calendar, or Adventskalender. The Advent calendar counts down the days from December 1st to December 24th. Each day has a small door or window, called a Türchen, behind which you might find a piece of Schokolade, a small Überraschung, or even a picture or a short message. Children and adults alike look forward to opening a Türchen every morning, which makes the countdown to Christmas exciting and tangible. The first Advent calendar appeared in the 19th century, as Protestant families in Germany wanted a way to help children count the days. Originally, some families would draw a chalk line on the door for each day. Over time, this evolved into printed calendars with images, Schokolade, and small Überraschung. Today, you can find Advent calendars in every possible theme: chocolate, toys, books, or even beauty products for adults. Some families even make homemade Advent calendars, with carefully chosen Überraschung for each day. It is a way to share love, creativity, and excitement during the holiday season. Advent is not just about candles and calendars. It's a family experience. Many families attend church services, sing Advent songs, or bake Christmas cookies together. Markets known as Weihnachtsmarkt open during Advent, where you can enjoy mulled wine, gingerbread, and handcrafted gifts. Every day, children open a Türchen with a little Schokolade or Überraschung, while families gather to share stories and laughter. The combination of spiritual reflection and festive anticipation makes Advent a unique and heartwarming period in Germany. Did you know that in some regions of Germany, children receive small gifts each Sunday of Advent in addition to the calendar treats? The pink candle on the wreath, symbolizing joy, is called the Gaudete candle, from the Latin word for joy. Some families still make their own Advent calendars with homemade Überraschung and Schokolade, adding a personal touch to the countdown. Opening each Türchen is often a moment of joy, surprise, and anticipation for children and adults alike. Advent is both fun and meaningful, blending history, spirituality, and family traditions, from lighting the wreath candles to opening each Türchen. In different parts of Germany, Advent can look a little different. For example, in southern Germany, especially in Bavaria and Baden-Württemberg, families often decorate their homes with wooden candle arches called Schwibbogen, originally from the Ur Mountains region. These glowing arches in the windows symbolize warmth and welcome during the dark winter months. In the north, however, it is more common to see large, illuminated stars hanging in the windows. Many families use the famous Herrnhuter Stern, a 26-pointed star that has become a symbol of Advent. Another regional tradition is the Adventssingen, or Advent singing, where choirs perform Christmas songs in churches or village squares. These gatherings create a peaceful atmosphere and remind people of the spiritual meaning of the season. Some schools and kindergartens even create their own big Advent calendars on the wall, where each child prepares a small gift or message for a classmate. This teaches children about sharing, patience, and kindness, values strongly connected to the idea of Advent. Let me share a small story to show how Advent feels in a typical German home. Imagine a family in Munich: Anna, her husband Thomas, and their two children, Leo and Marie. It's the first Sunday of Advent. Outside, the air is cold, and tiny lights shine from every balcony. Inside, the family gathers in the warm living room. The Adventskranz is placed on the table. Anna lights the first candle, the candle of hope. The soft glow fills the room, and everyone becomes quiet for a moment. Thomas reads a short Christmas story from a children's book, while the kids sip warm cocoa. Leo asks excitedly, "When can we open the Adventskalender?" Marie is already holding hers, gently shaking it to guess what's behind door number 1. The next morning, December begins. Leo opens door 1 and finds a tiny chocolate snowman. Marie finds a small angel sticker. Each day brings a new surprise, sometimes chocolate, sometimes a little craft, sometimes a message like "Be kind today." Every Sunday, another candle is lit. By the fourth Sunday, all 4 candles glow: hope, peace, joy, and love. The living room becomes warm, bright, and full of Christmas spirit. This weekly ritual helps the family slow down, breathe deeply, and enjoy the magic of the season together. Like many families in Germany, Anna and Thomas know, Advent is not about big presents. It is about small moments, soft light, warm feelings, and time spent with the people you love. So, whether it's lighting the 4 candles of the Advent wreath or opening a door with chocolates and surprises of toys or cosmetics, Advent is about anticipation, joy, and togetherness. I hope you enjoyed learning about this charming German tradition. Now tell me, would you like to try Advent calendars and Advent wreaths? If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to Learn German Studios, and check out our German culture playlist for more stories like this.